I remember the first time I came up here, it was pouring down rain, and just taking the steps across and around the trees and seeing it open up, and just the ridge line and the meadow. It was the first time I was really able to say, like, this is it. This is what we've been looking for. Getting this piece of land was something that was so critical. And to have this and for it to be ours, it really helped me crystallize the vision that we have. And we're gonna build some amazing things here. This is a place for us to explore, a place for us to restore, and a place for us to really have and show, how to be in relationship with land in a very unique way. Right here, we're at the meadow, but then as you start going up and up towards the national park, we start to see some mixed hardwoods, we have more hemlocks, we have pine trees, we have all of these different ecosystems, and there's so much diversity. Some of it mimics what you see in Cades Cove, some of it mimics what you see in other parts of the Smokies, but this is the first time in our history that we've owned property. So with this land, we have the opportunity to be stewards, to be caretakers, and be decision makers on how we come to relationship with this 200 acres.
Fire historically is one of the ways to manage grasslands like this with the goal of increasing biodiversity. And so we've been using fire here for the last few years, and that's why you see some grasses starting to spring up, native grasses, and pretty open fields.
The nature of nature is that it provides programming for you. Like when we are in the streams in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, we are using those streams, and those streams are teaching us, and the ecosystem, the ecology within those streams is teaching us. This is just a different ecosystem. There's a field here that is going to be teaching us and informing our lessons in a way that we don't have when we're in the stream or in the river.
One of the main differences between this campus and our home campus is that our home campus in Walker Valley is in the national park, and that reflects national park values. Here we have an opportunity for people to be engaged with the land in a different way, to participate in the ecosystem and grow food and other resources that humans can use while still benefiting the land. We're thinking about it as sort of like a participatory ecology.
We're thinking through the research that we can do, the partnerships that we can make with research universities or individual scientists. There's also the potential for more citizen and community science, and how can the community, the people in Townsend and in Knoxville and the areas around us, guide the questions that we're actually asking, and then also taking that data and sharing that information. So I think it'll be an opportunity to engage more with people for every single process of the scientific method, not just that data collection time.
Tremont's an education center, and so we know that education is the most powerful tool we have to save the places we love. And I think what we've come to understand is that the places we love can also save us. They can heal us, they can inspire us, and to think about that that's going to happen right here on this incredible piece of land, it makes me so excited for Tremont's future.